Alright guys, with this strategy, you don't need to blur your account any longer. Now, this is one of my best strategies, my premium strategies. I never wanted to share free of charge, but today I'm sharing it with you guys. Now, this is volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Now, what you need is only one indicator to do what to record consistent profit. I have been using this over many years and it keeps generating a lot of profit. So I'm disclosing it to you guys right now. So what I want you to do is to pay attention, understand every bit of this video. You understand? If you have not been making consistent profits, let go every other strategy and focus on this, and your trading history will change. Now, as I said, you need only one indicator, alligator indicator. That is the only one indicator you need to do what? Record consistent profit. Now, let me show you how to make use of this strategy. Towards the end of the video, I will show you how to set up the indicator. Do you understand? So pay attention, understand every bit of this video, because this is only strategy you need to do what to keep generating a lot of profit. Do you understand? All right, this is what you need to do. Now, down, watch on my screen. Now you will see two compartments: the chart compartment and the indicator section. Do you understand? Now the indicator section, that is the only one indicator you need, which is a alligator indicator. Do you understand? Now this is how to make use of this here strategy and record maximum profit. Now, with this particular settings, do you understand? This is a volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you. Pay attention. Let me show you how to make use of this and record massive profit. Now, this is a crossing here. You can see this is crossing here. You see the line. There are 3 lines from the side of a indicator section. You see red line, green line, and blue line. Now when the red and the green line crosses the blue line, that is what a confirmed signal. Now if the crossing of the blue line is from down upward, if the red and the green line crosses the blue line from down upwards, that is what a clear buy signal. So in this case, this is the crossing from down upwards, so this is what a clear buy signal. So what I want you to do is what? Make your buy entry at this point. Do you understand? Make your buy entry at this point, and this is what a massive profit. Do you understand? This particular strategy is straightforward and highly profitable. Do you understand? For past many years, I have been on this and keep on generating a lot of profit. All right, now let's proceed. Let's see, this is a huge profit. Now this is the crossing, the green and red line of alligator indicator crosses from up downwards, and this is the point where the crossing occurs. So the point which the crossing occur, that's why you need to do what? Make your entry. Now in this case, the crossing is from up downwards. Look at the crossing, the green and the red line crosses the blue line from up downward. This is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? So what I want you to do is to what? Make your sell entry at this point. Make your what? Sell entry at this point, and this is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? Now, whichever entry you are making, make use of appropriate stop loss. Do you understand? And this is what a huge profit. All right, now let's proceed. See, this is what a huge profit. Are you seeing it? Now, this is a crossing here. This is the crossing from down upwards. So this is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? This is what a clear buy signal. So what I want you to do is what? Make your buy entry from the point of crossing. Make your what? Buy entry from the point of crossing. This is the crossing here. This is where the red and the green line crosses the blue line of alligator indicator. So the point at which the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your entry. In this case, the crossing occur from down upward, which signifies a confirmed buy signal. So make your buy entry at this point and record massive profit. Do you understand? So like as I said before, this particular strategy I've been generating a lot of profit for past many years, and I keep on using it. So I'm sharing it with you guys so that you can do what? Jump in on it and keep recording massive profit. All right, now let's proceed. See, this is a huge profit. Now at this point, the crossing occur from up downwards, signifying a clear sell signal. So the point at which the crossing occur, that is the point where you need to do what? make your sell entry. Do you understand? Now this is the point where the correction occur. From the side of indicator, this is where the red and green line crosses the blue line of alligator indicator, and this is the candlestick where the correction occurs. So this point at which the candlestick, the closing of the candlestick where the correction occurs, that's where you need to do what, make your sell entry, and this is what a huge profit for you. To understand? All right, like as I said, I have been making use of this for past many years and keep generating a lot of profits, and I deem it fit to share it with you guys. To understand? So that you change your trading history. To understand? All right, now let's proceed. Now look at this point. This is the another correction. This is what another correction here. The correction occurs from down upwards, which signify a confirm buy signal. Do you understand? This is what a confirm buy signal. So you make your buy entry the points at which the correction occur. So this is the where the correction occur at this point, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. So you do what, you make your buy entry immediately and they record the massive profit. Now whichever entry you are making, make use of appropriate stop loss. Do you understand? Like as I said, this is a high profitable strategy. Do you understand? Like this is a huge profit. See, it keeps generating a lot of profits. Now at this point the correction occur again. Look at this point here. The correction occur from up downward, which signifies a sell signal. This is the correction at this point. This is the candlestick where the correction occurs. So you make a what, sell entry at this point and record a massive profit. As easy as that. This is how I keep on generating my profits. So jump on this and do what, change your trading history. All right, now let's proceed. I've seen it. So this is how we keep on making your entry, your buy entry and your sell entry. Now this is the current chart. At this point, this is the current chart. This is where the market is right now. This is where the market is right now. This is the point where the market is right now, as you can see. So I have been on this. This is the current chart now. This is where the market is right now. Now let me show you the profit I have generated so far from this particular point. Let me show you the profit I have generated so far. Now look at this. Look at this point. You see, let me show you something. I bought at this point. I recorded there a lot of profits. I bought at this point. Look at the correction here. I bought at this point and recorded a lot of profits. Do you understand? And I sold at this point. And recorded a lot of profits. And I also bought at this point. I bought at this point and recorded there a lot of profits. And this is, I also sold. I bought here also, and this is where the market is right now. Do you understand? Like as I said, this is what a high profitable strategy. Now let me show you how to set up the indicator. Pay attention. Click on F. So like as I said, you need only one indicator, which is alligator indicator. Here what the settings for alligator indicator. Here what the settings for alligator indicator. So jogs period is 60. Jog shift 8, tint periods 10, tint shift 0, leaves period 10, leaves shift 1. Method exponential, apply to medium price. Do you understand? Apply to medium price. Do you understand? All right. So here what the just time. What the just tie 4 pixel, the color is blue. Tint style 4 pixel, color red. Lip style 4 pixel, color green. Now this is all you need to do, what, set up the indicator. Now let me show you another thing. As you can see, if you insert this particular strategy straight, if you insert it immediately, it will go to the chart section. So what you need to do is to do what? Insert RSI. Look at this. Insert relative strength index first of all. So once you insert it, then you insert under the indicator window of RSI, you insert the alligator indicator. Do you understand? So that the alligator indicator will go down from the main chart. Do you understand? All right, that's all you need to do what? Record the massive profit trading with this particular strategy. Don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history. Thank you.